Hello everyone, today we're gonna go over doing loops. Loops are probably something you'll eventually use when you're using Macrodroid. So let's begin. We're gonna add a macro, and I'm gonna name this demo 7, that's gonna be loops. Now at the bottom it says local variable. We're gonna add a new one, and we're gonna do an integer. And for the variable type, we're gonna choose integer. And for the triggers, we're going to do shake device. And for the action, we're going to set variable. We're going to select the integer, and that is going to be value plus 1. All right, so we're going to do a display dialog to see if it's working. And we're going to say integer, and the current number is, select the 3 dots on the right, go to local variable, and then select integer. And we're going to block next actions until complete. Hit OK. And we're going to start a new action, and that is going to be the if clause, which is this top one. And we're going to go to search, and we're going to do variable. And if the integer is greater than however many times you want to loop it, greater or equal, whatever you want it to be, I don't suggest less than. So you select OK. So we're going to loop this 5 times, and every time it loops, we're going to add 1, right? So if the integer is equal to 5, we're going to say display dialog, and we'll say macro complete and all done. We're going to hit OK, and let's go ahead and set that variable back to 0 because it's now complete. So the integer will be 0. I'm going to put all this in the if statement there soon. And we also want to end the macro because the loop is now complete. So with the plus sign, and we'll hit cancel macro actions, and it's going to be this macro. So now let's drag and drop everything in here, just like that. And the last thing we want to do to complete the loop is do a macro run, this macro. So what it's going to do, it's going to continue to increment the integer by 1 up until it gets to 5, display the dialog that says that it's all done, and cancel the macro actions, which is ending the loop. And the loop, the way it loops around is by using this macro run action at the bottom. So let's go ahead and try it out. I'm going to hit the back arrow and save it. I'm going to shake it. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All done. That, my friends, is how you do a loop. Hope you guys have a great day. Until the next one.